Discover the future of affiliate marketing. MAP ecosystem introduction. The dawn of a new affiliate marketing era. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in affiliate marketing, where the path to success is clear, lucrative, and supported every step of the way. In today's dynamic digital landscape, affiliate marketing has emerged as a beacon of opportunity, offering individuals the chance to earn income online without the traditional hassles of business ownership. However, for many, navigating this landscape can feel like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. Challenges for newbies. Affiliate marketing's allure lies in its simplicity and potential for passive income. With the internet connecting billions of users globally, the opportunities to reach and influence potential buyers have never been greater. This democratization of marketing has fueled the popularity of affiliate marketing, with businesses of all sizes embracing affiliates to expand their reach and drive sales. Challenges for newbies. Yet, despite its appeal, affiliate marketing isn't a quick fix for financial woes. Success in this field demands strategy, persistence, and a commitment to ongoing learning. Newcomers often face daunting challenges, including information overload. Sorting through a sea of contradictory or outdated advice can be overwhelming. Product selection. Choosing the right products to promote, ones that are both profitable and aligned with audience interests, is crucial yet challenging. Building trust. Establishing credibility and earning the trust of your audience is essential in an era of skepticism toward online advertising. Traffic generation. Driving targeted traffic to affiliate offers requires mastering complex techniques like SEO and social media marketing. Platform and program selection. With countless options available, finding the right affiliate programs and platforms can be confusing and time-consuming. Introducing the MAP ecosystem. Enter the Master Affiliate Profits MAP ecosystem, a groundbreaking platform designed to revolutionize the affiliate marketing journey. Developed by industry veterans John Thornhill, Omar Martin, and Melinda Martin, MAP is the culmination of decades of experience in digital marketing. Their mission? To empower affiliates with the knowledge, tools, and support they need to build sustainable income streams. MAP isn't just another affiliate marketing platform, it's a comprehensive ecosystem of training, tools, and products united by one mission: to promote one link. With MAP, users learn cutting-edge affiliate marketing tactics and earn hefty commissions by promoting just one link, a link that not only builds their email list but also secures them sales for life. What sets MAP apart? MAP's approach to affiliate marketing sets it apart from the competition. Lead preservation. MAP ensures that your leads remain yours, preventing lead hijacking and allowing you to nurture and monetize your list effectively. Lifetime earnings. With MAP, affiliates earn on everything, forever, an ecosystem designed to reward effort and loyalty with perpetual income. Education from experts. Learn from successful affiliate marketers who share insights and strategies gleaned from real-world experience. Dive into MAP's training modules. MAP's comprehensive curriculum is divided into 9 detailed modules, each addressing a core aspect of affiliate marketing. List building. Email marketing. traffic generation. Video marketing. Creating bonuses. Social media mastery. Ads marketing. Banners and graphics. Blogging. Conclusion. Unlock your affiliate marketing potential with MAP. In a digital age where affiliate marketing can be both promising and puzzling, MAP stands as a beacon of clarity, direction, and success. As the digital landscape evolves, the MAP ecosystem remains at the forefront, offering a proven path to affiliate marketing success. If you're ready to demystify affiliate marketing and unlock its full potential, MAP is the key that opens that door. Get started with MAP today. See link below.